In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery in your ADT Command Panic Button SiXPANICA. This panic button is compatible with these panels and requires one 3-volt CR2450 battery, which you can purchase from an online or local retailer. You'll also need a mini Phillips head screwdriver. You'll know it's time to replace the battery when you receive a low battery message on your system panel, touchscreen, or in your control app. Also, if the device's LED flashes red when you press a button, the battery is low and should be replaced. Now, let's get started. Log into myadt.com and put your system in test mode. This will prevent the ADT Monitoring Center from responding to alarm signals while you work. Watch this video to learn about test mode. Disarm your system at your command panel or your touchscreen. Next, to access the battery compartment, remove the screws from the back cover. Then use a screwdriver to gently separate the front and back covers. You may hear a tamper tone or see an error message on the panel. Don't worry, this is normal. Now that you have access to the battery compartment, use the screwdriver to carefully pop out the old battery. Wait 10 seconds. Or press either button for 2 seconds to ensure the power is fully discharged. Place the battery into the panic device positive side down, facing the plus symbol inside the compartment. Replace the front cover and secure it to the back with the cover screws. To clear the tamper alert and stop the beeping, go to your command panel and enter the appropriate code for your panel. That's it. You can now take your system out of test mode and resume normal use of your ADT Command Panic Button. Need more help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com for more information about your ADT security devices and system, or to chat with us.